Atul Subhash's family. Both Atul's father and Atul's brother are thanking the Bengaluru police for the arrest, but they are also raising questions about Atul's son. They are asking, they want to know where the child is. Let's listen into their reaction.
सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न अभी हमारे पास ये है कि मुझे ये पता करना है आप लोग मीडिया के माध्यम से कि मेरा भतीजा कहाँ है, क्योंकि वो उस फोटो जो तस्वीर सामने आई है उसमें मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है। तो मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न ये है कि मेरे भाई का बेटा कहाँ है, वो आपके थ्रू हमें जानना है। बाकी 3 की जो गिरफ्तारी हुई है इसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कर्नाटक पुलिस का, जिन्होंने इतना एफर्ट्स किया है। उन्होंने अपने एफर्ट्स लगाए हैं और टीम्स उन्होंने गुड़गांव और जौनपुर तक भेजा था।
हमारे पोते को हम कहाँ रखे हुए हैं, कि मार दी है कि जिंदा है, वो भी हम नहीं देख पा रहे हैं। हमारी यही गुहार है कि हमारा पोता हमको देखने को और हमारे पास रहे, और कोई गुहार नहीं।
जो आपने न्याय की जो मांग की थी उसमें आपको कुछ सफलता मिली है?
बहुत बड़ा धन्यवाद है पुलिस वालों को, हमारी कानून व्यवस्था को हम धन्यवाद देते हैं, जो कम से कम मेरी गुहार उन लोग सुन करके और इतना बड़ा हमको राहत दिए है। ये बहुत बड़ी राहत की बात है, कम से कम उन लोग गिरफ्तार तो है।
Sabyasachi is joining us live. You heard the first reaction come in from Atul Subhash's father and his brother. They are raising some questions, but Sabyasachi, do you have information from your sources on the questions raised by the family as to where the child is as of now?
Well, the concerns are being raised by deceased Atul Subhash's family members regarding the whereabouts of his son. Meanwhile, the police is also carrying out the investigation into this matter. In fact, the police is also tracing the 4th accused in this case. The police said that his role in this matter is under investigation and are trying to trace him as soon as possible. And also, the police in this matter has also approached to the forensic team as well as the cyber team to look into the death note as well as the video which has been released by Atul Subhash, and also to look into the data and to retrieve it. Meanwhile, Atul Subhash's estranged wife has been arrested from Gurugram, and his brother-in-law and mother-in-law have been arrested from Prayagraj. See, on Friday, the family members of Nikita Singhania had approached the Allahabad High Court for anticipatory bail, and that is yet to be known, but clearly the police is carrying out the investigation into this matter.
What next in this case, which has triggered a larger debate around men's rights and also divorce laws? So thank you, Sabyasachi, for getting us all those details. With that, we slip into a short commercial break. Stay with us. We'll be back with more news and updates.